Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Telegram. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. Here it opens up in the chats, where we have our conversations. From here we just swipe to the right. And here at the bottom we find invite friends. If we tap on this, then we can search our contacts list to find people that we want to invite, or we can just tap on share Telegram, and then we can get a link and send it to whoever we want to invite to Telegram. And there's no reward system in the app, but you can just share it like this. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.